preserve your core every time you stimulate progress. Alamin mo, ano bang pinaka-importante sa'yo? Tapos, pag klaro na yon, dapat bukas ka na sa ibang bagay at pagbabago. But it's hard because some people can't let go of too many things. Kasi some people say, so how do I adjust? How do I adapt to the change? Di ba yung mga ganong klaseng tanong, no? Never stay in one place, even when you are so blessed, when your calling is telling you to go. At the same time, never leave any situation because it's so difficult, right? When you are called to stay. So I've learned that there are times na in spite of the bashing, the persecution, hindi ka tinatanggap, hindi ka na-appreciate, pero pag alam mong dapat nandiyan ka, may purpose ka dyan, diyan ka lang. At the same time, just because you have all the offers and you're so blessed and you know, your influence is growing, grabe ang following, feeling mo. Pag sinabi ng, you're done here, it's time for you to move. Wow, the ability to say, it's been great, time to journey on. Calling.